In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate JPG to PDF in iLove PDF. First, let's begin by opening iLove PDF. On your web browser, type in the address ilovepdf.com and hit enter. You will see a clean and user-friendly interface. Everything is straightforward, and there are no complicated menus to navigate. This site is designed to make your tasks easier. Once the page loads, you will feel confident that you are in the right place. Next, you need to select JPG to PDF. Look for the option labeled JPG to PDF on the homepage. It is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. When you click on it, you will be directed to a new page specifically for converting JPG files to PDF. This step is important because it sets the stage for the conversion process. You are now ready to upload your images. Now click on Select JPG Images and upload your JPG files. A file dialog will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Choose the JPG images you want to convert. You can select multiple files if necessary. This flexibility is great for users who want to process several images at once. Once you've chosen your files, click Open and watch as the images upload to the iLove PDF platform. After uploading, you will see thumbnails of your images. Here, you will want to click the rotate icon on the image thumbnail to rotate the image left or right. This icon typically looks like a circular arrow. Each click will rotate the image by 90 degrees. It's a simple action, but it allows you to ensure your images are oriented correctly before converting them to PDF. This can save you from headaches later on when the document is viewed or printed. From here, it's time to arrange the images in the order you want. You can click and drag the images to reorder them as needed. This feature is particularly useful if you want your final PDF to convey a specific narrative or sequence. Think about the flow of information as you arrange the images. It ensures that your PDF will be logical and easy for others to follow. Next, you'll want to adjust PDF settings. Here, you can customize options such as page size. You can choose standard sizes like A4 or letter, depending on your needs. Additionally, you can set the orientation of the document to either portrait or landscape. This is crucial because it affects how your images will be displayed in the final PDF. You can also adjust margins to give your content some breathing room. Lastly, consider the image position. Adjusting this will help ensure your images fit well within the PDF pages. Once you have everything set to your liking, click Convert to PDF. This action will initiate the conversion process, and you will see a loading animation while your images are being transformed into a PDF document. This step is significant because it finalizes all the adjustments you have made. You will feel a sense of accomplishment knowing that your images are being processed into a single document. Finally, you can download your rotated PDF. A download button will appear once the conversion is complete. Click on it, and your newly created PDF will begin downloading to your computer. This is the last step, and it is satisfying to see your work come together. With these steps completed, you now have a PDF file that is well organized and visually appealing. Enjoy your new document.